How to turn off sleep mode. On Instagram, in this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Start by launching the Instagram mobile application as shown here. This is the homepage of the app. From here, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This action will lead you to the profile section of your account. On this page, you'll find several options that allow you to navigate different parts of the app. Next, scroll down carefully. Be sure to follow the steps exactly as demonstrated to avoid missing any important detail. Now proceed to the section titled How You Use Instagram. Within this section, there are multiple options available. Locate and tap on the one labeled Time Management. This will take you to a new page that contains settings for managing how you spend time on your account. On this same page, look towards the bottom and find the option named Sleep Mode. Tap on it to access the sleep mode settings. Once the page loads, locate the toggle switch that allows you to enable or disable the feature. As demonstrated here, here is the switch. Tap on it to turn sleep mode off. The toggle will change to indicate that the feature has been disabled. The process is straightforward to follow. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram.